Hey guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how to set up free shipping on Squarespace. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. Just before I do so, I'd like to point your interest and awareness at a link in the description of this video, which will take you to a free trial version of Squarespace. So if you want to try this out, if you haven't gotten an account there already, that'll take you directly to your own free trial version of this. So make sure to give that a click if you're interested. Alright, to set up free shipping. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Squarespace dashboard and click on the Commerce tab. From there, select Shipping in the left-hand menu. Now, you'll see a few different shipping options. To set up free shipping, we're going to create a new shipping option. Click the Add Shipping Option button and select Flat Rate from the drop-down menu. Next, we can set up the flat rate shipping option to be free. Under Shipping Rates, click the Per Order Fee button and set the price to $0. You can also add a name for this shipping option, like free shipping. That's it. Now, whenever a customer checks out on your Squarespace site, they'll have the option to select free shipping. You can also set up conditions for when the free shipping option is available, like for orders over a certain amount and shipping zones. So, like I said, don't forget to check out some nice tools in the description. Thanks for watching!